Today, I wanted to have an honest conversation about something that's been on my mind lately, which is managing anxiety and ADHD, especially during times of uncertainty. I know many of us have been feeling overwhelmed with recent events, so I thought I'd share a few strategies that help me cope with daily challenges. One is understanding medication's role in emotional regulation. First, let's talk about medication. I take 30 milligrams of Adderall daily, and something that surprised me when I started was how it helps me not just with focus, but with emotional regulation too. Here's why. ADHD isn't just about attention. It affects how our brains process and respond to emotions. People with ADHD often experience something called rejection-sensitive dysphoria, or RSD. We talked about this in a previous video. And it's like having your emotional volume turned up to 11 all the time. Adderall helps by regulating the dopamine in our brains, which doesn't just help us focus. It helps us process emotions more evenly. It's like having a volume control for your feelings. And I am someone who definitely needs that. Maybe you do too. Number two, the power of regular meditation. My second strategy is meditation. And I will be honest, I was someone who was very skeptical of meditation. But sometimes I use Headspace. Sometimes I follow along with a YouTube video, and sometimes I just sit and breathe for a minute. And the key is flexibility, because there is no wrong way to meditate. What I've learned is that meditation isn't about just emptying your mind or achieving a perfect calm. It's about practicing the skill of noticing your thoughts without getting caught up in them. Think of it like building muscle. Every time you notice your mind wandering and gently bring it back, it's like doing one rep of emotional awareness exercise. Number three, naming and understanding our feelings. Hey, therapy girl here, right? Finally, I think something that's been incredibly powerful for me is actively identifying my emotions. When I'm feeling overwhelmed, I literally tell myself, I'm having big feelings right now, and I pull out the feelings wheel. This might sound simple or even juvenile to some, but there's actually science behind why this works. When we name our emotions specifically, like recognizing that what we're calling anxiety might actually be uncertainty or vulnerability, we activate different parts of our brain. This helps us move from our emotional brain to our logical brain, making those big feelings more manageable. The feelings wheel helps me dig deeper. Instead of just saying, I'm anxious, I might realize I'm feeling unprepared or worried about the future. This specificity helps me respond more effectively to what I'm actually feeling. These strategies aren't just coping mechanisms. They're tools for understanding ourselves better. Managing ADHD and anxiety isn't about eliminating these feelings. It's about building a better relationship with them. Everything that's going on, I'd love to hear what strategies work for you. So drop a comment below and let's support each other in this journey. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and click the notification bell to stay updated on future videos about mental health and personal growth. I'm sending everyone lots of joy and peace, and honestly, stay well, everyone.